It's a gag grouper.
Huh?
Wait,
Come on,
no.
hold on. It's a big hogfish. Oh, Michael. Oh my God, Michael. That's a big male hogfish, bro. Look at that stud.
Hey everybody, Captain Andy Benedict here with First Mate Academy. I'm standing with Sam Harkin, who is the owner and artist for BACKBAY Artistry. He has made this amazing replica, it's wood, of this hogfish my son caught. It's the second piece he's made for me. My other son caught a giant snook, and Sam made that replica, and he can make just about any piece. Any piece. He really specializes in custom work. He can make things that really, the emphasis is that have a personal connection, but he can make anything. In fact, he's gonna make my logo with a life behind it. Sam, when can they see your products and where can they see them?
I would say weekly. Just check out my page on Instagram or Facebook. Instagram, you can see reels of my work, so it shows it a little bit better, the detail and all that. Facebook, you can reach me on Messenger, and I'd love to make something for you.
Awesome, awesome. Well, my son has no idea that I've had this made, and my other son that has the snook loves it. So I'm so excited to give this to Michael. It's going to be awesome. Yeah. So we have at First Mate Academy, I've got 8 weeks of camp. Each week is themed by a species. We have redfish, snook, trout, tarpon, and then inshore slam week. All learning is based around that species. And that's 8 weeks, 6 weeks in Palm Harbor at Speckled Trout Marina, and 2 weeks in Safety Harbor at the Safety Harbor Marina. I also have the Academy, which is where my students are learning a First Mate curriculum, and they're gaining a certification to be a First Mate. There are multiple levels, each is the prerequisite for the next. That's daily from 2 to 4 p.m. after the camp day. So camp 8:30 to 1:30, then the Academy is 2 to 4 p.m. and you register through Palm Harbor Parks and Recreation or Safety Harbor Recreation. But go check out Sam. He does amazing work. Thanks a lot, Sam.
Appreciate you.
That's
Andy.
awesome, man.
Yeah.
Michael's gonna be so happy.
Appreciate you.
All right, guys.